because the mood is upbeat in the travel and tourism industry, especially in the hotel business. At the Hotel Investment Forum India, Indian and international hotel chains expressed optimism at the growth potential of the Indian market and outlined big investment plans for the coming year. Swati Khandelwal Jain is here with some of those plans. Swati, take us through what the hotel industry is planning.
Absolutely, the hotel industry is looking very good because the kind of growth that we are expected to see over the next couple of years or more is to the tune of 15 to 20%, something that we've seen in the last year. Importantly, the hotel industry and the hotel chain groups are very bullish, very optimistic about the investments and commitment as far as the growth is concerned. So if I may start with Indian hotels, they have committed a capex of about 150 crore rupees for this year, which is something that they will look at investing in upgrading the properties, even in acquisitions is what the company has spoken about, in maybe looking at a fifth brand really, which could be in between 3 or 4 stars. They've also talked about the margins, which are looking very good. In fact, they're going to improve going forward. And if you see, they are currently in the process of setting up 43 properties over the next 18 to 36 months. So that's the timeline that the company has taken. And the company says that every year, which is starting this fiscal, they will be looking at adding one hotel or one property every month. So they will be looking at adding about 1,200 to 2,000 rooms over the next 1 year across India and international. Let's hear Raymond Bixon, who's the CEO of Indian Hotels, on the fundraising plans for the company.
Given any fundraising that we need will be looked at depending on what opportunities come up. At the moment, as you know, we really have a heavy pipeline. All of those have been committed to. They're being built at the moment. We look at growth opportunistically in the international sector, like we did with New York, Boston, San Francisco, and Sydney.
Well, some of the other international brands like Carlson and Starwood also chalked out their bullish plans about India. For them, India is the most important market at this point in time. For them, it's about second or third largest. That's the aim really coming in. And they have set up their target to set up at least 30 to 40 properties in the next financial year for both of these big brands.
Right, thanks Swati for joining us with all those details. Those are some of the big investment plans being planned by Indian and international hotel chains. And with